Hello YouTube, it is Geb here. I'm playing a game called Deadbolt. So Deadbolt is from the creators of Risk of Rain, and as you probably saw long time ago, Witzy and I played for a long time. It is a great game. It's by Hopu Games, I think is what they're called. They also did Starbound. I've been playing a little of this like a month ago, and it was super fun, so I want to do a video of it. So let's start. So, another night. So what this game is you're basically the Grim Reaper. You're kind of like Commando Grim Reaper, and you can punch people. You get different guns, like you can see right there, that's a knife that you can pick up. And what it basically is you have to fight. So you use the WASD to move. You go through a building, so you press E to pick up. I pick up, and then I stop. Now the guy's going to come in. Now we're going to wait for him to come in. Now he's dead. I have played this game a bit. So, when you go in, press E, press W. Oh, I missed. Yeah, this is kind of a roguelite, so you get it. Stab him, go in. Come on, buddy. Come on through. Now, we're going to go in immediately. Oh, God. I messed up already. That was sad. So, oh, God. Okay, so I finished it. Not the way they wanted, but whatever. So, you end up getting a weapon. So, you get a knife, and you can switch between them, and you can fire. So you hold the right click, and you fire. As simple as that. I'm going to be terrible at this already. It's been a while. Okay. So let's start out. So, you also get to enter the vent. So I need to... Nobody has heard it. Okay, cool. So, each vent you can enter, and you can go down, like, there's a gun right here. I want that. You know what? Yeah, that's actually what I want. I'm gonna wait till they move. Okay, both of you go that way. Oh, that was a good shot. So I hit them both, and then I am going to... Oh, this is going to suck. Okay, ready? Fuck. That's exactly what happens. So each one you go through, and you get... Okay. So that's what you basically want to do with this game, is you want to go through and kill everybody. You talk to the fireplace if we can get through to that part without me sucking terribly. Okay. Oh shit. Let's see if I have enough bullets. Okay, we want them to... Oh, we want that off. Okay. Why didn't I... Okay, I don't know why that happened. So that's basically what this game is, but when I first started playing it, of course, I was a lot better. There you go. So, it's a really fun game. I like it so far. It's an interesting idea. Okay. Now, we want to go... Actually... do this. See if we can get them through here. Where'd the other guy go? Okay, so we want to make sure that they're away from us. Let's see... There we go. Everybody's dead. That's how you do it. A little bit more smoothly, but that's how you do it. So now we should... Yeah, okay. My accuracy sucks. So basically you do that, so you get souls. Now what these souls are used for is to get different like weapons and stuff later on. So you get starting weapons and you can switch out your loadout basically before the game starts. Oh, you're finally back. That is your resources to light. So in order to get a mission, you sit down and talk. This is the fireplace, he's basically saying. So he tells you your mission. So the flames roar to life and a voice speaks out. Another life well returned. Mission. My candles tell me tales. Undead form and blossom. Find their abode and knock and free them from their jails. The mission never, the flames never spoke in prose. Intel. Undead are easiest to kill when alone. And if fire looks as near, undead zombies included must be helped towards the afterlife. Okay. So now you go over to the thing and start. You can get achievements. So these are all achievements. I started a new game, or else I'd have all this stuff. But you choose mission. So first mission. This is the first case. Noisy neighbors. And this one is basically kill all undead. Sometimes it's killing different people. Sometimes it's different. We're just gonna get a little look. So I have a 32 revolver right now. Let's see. Now, ooh God, I better hope to God. Okay, I'm gonna enter. Oh, it's this one. Okay. Let's see if I can get. There we go. Now I need this gun really bad. No, I don't want to go there. Okay. So now we need. Can you go away? Sir? Sir, can you go? Sir. Sir, can you go away? I got a cassette tape. That's cool. So cassette tapes are different like collectibles and stuff in this game, and they're pretty neat. I like it. Okay, so now you can also hide cover. So I need to. I should be able to. Okay. Now I need to kill. Okay. So now I have 2 shots. Now. Now we need to get upstairs somehow. Oh, is that the only way up there? Oh, that sucks. Okay, so I need to go. Oh, that blows. This is gonna suck. Oh god. Oh god. I have 1 shot left. This is gonna suck. This is gonna really suck. Oh god, please go. Please come in here. Please tell me I have enough bullets for this. Did I kill everybody? Stage clear. Oh my god. Okay, so when we're done, thank god I got through that. Now we go to the car. And we're done. Oh, I actually did it. Cool. So that's the first mission. 2 minutes. Look at that accuracy. Yeah. So let's get started. I have a total of 40 souls now. So now I have a cassette tape, so you can listen to the cassette tape. I wake up, cold water, docks again, splinters in my hand, where am I? Roland's here, he helps, he says we leave. He says we don't have to come back to the docks again. He gives me a hit. Good hit. I feel it in my tongue, my throat, in my hands, and my feet, and my ears. And I wake up. How much time? Thumping in my ear. Music. I look down, there's splinters in my hand. Roland's gone. I die again. I overdose again. I wake up, hands wet, feet wet, docks again. I'm in living room. I need more ash, Roland. I hear the music again. I hear yelling. The room fills up with cold water. I splinter, and we all overdose again. I wake up, knocking at the door. Roland. So that's pretty much the game. You end up, having different missions. You sit down and do different missions. You do, you talk to the flame each time. Later on, you get to go through that door, and it brings you out to the guy who sells different weapons. You can get like silenced pistol and stuff like that to make the trek a little bit easier. It's really fun. I highly recommend this game. So I just want to do a quick video on it. But I hope to see you guys later, and thanks for watching. Bye.